In this video, I'll show how to buy shares of Hawkins Inc. listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HWKN. Hawkins Inc. is a publicly traded company in the industrial sector. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy HWKN, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading a photo ID, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HWKN to find the right listing. Select the result that shows Hawkins Inc. and confirms the NASDAQ listing. On the Hawkins Inc. page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the ticker and exchange again before proceeding. Tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description for the example platform if you want to follow the same steps.